Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the Sigma 30mm f1.4 DCDN contemporary lens, and this is for the Canon M series. So you've got the EF-M lenses from Canon, of which there are very few, and then Sigma have released 3 lenses, and this is the 30mm one. They do a 30mm, I believe a 16 and a 56, I think. Anyway, let's open this up and see what we've got inside. Right, so we've got quite a bit of paperwork there. Guarantee paperwork, as you can see there. And inside the box, oh, we've got some more paperwork. Okay, warranty sticker. Not sure why I've got that. I just thought the shop would have had to send that away. Never mind. And a little instruction pamphlet. Okay. Right, so we've got an egg box type material inside there. And inside is the lens and lens cap. I'm glad they included a lens cap. Canon often don't. Right, so let's have a look at the lens cap first. Alright, so it's grooved inside, nice quality, looks nice. It's got some engraved lettering in there, and then the on-off or in-out on the top. The lens itself, okay. The lens itself is made from aluminium, by the feel of it. It's cold to the touch, so it's definitely not plastic. Definitely an alloy of some sort, and it's got a plastic. Okay, so at the top it's plastic. I do apologise if you can hear that child screaming outside, it's not mine. And it's got a nice stainless steel, ooh, nearly dropped it, nice stainless steel mount on the bottom. Okay, nice overall quality. It's got a little C on there for contemporary, and the element itself looks beautiful. Right, let's put that back and I'll get the camera out and we'll take some test shots. Okay, just before that I'm going to do a couple of measurements for you. So including the caps, this is 9 centimeters, 9¼ centimeters from top to bottom, and 6 centimeters, just over 6 centimeters wide. And it's a 52mm filter thread. So if you want to put a filter on this, I would suggest putting a UV filter on it, a good quality one, just to protect the lens from scratching. Okay, so if comparing that to the 18 to 150 that I have from Canon, it's pretty much the same size. Okay, pretty much the same size. Canon's a 55mm filter thread, so obviously slightly girthier. Okay, so putting that on there, it doesn't make it look too big, which is what I was looking for. Fits nicely. Canon has a plastic mount, and let's put this on as well. Okay, there we go. Looks nice. Let's take a few shots, see what the camera image quality is like. Looks good. It's not a very heavy lens, but it's well made. So it weighs probably about the same as the 18 to 150 that I've just took off. Okay, let's find something to take a picture of. Feels nice, nice and balanced. Right, let's have a look around. What have I got? What have I got? What have I got? No, I keep taking pictures of that. What else is there? Okay. Right, there we go. Let's have a picture of Cosmo. Right, so let's see what the minimum focus range is. Okay, right about there. Okay, so about 20 to 25 centimeters. And there's the image. Nice blurred background. Let's do a rear shot. Now these are slightly down. I've got the lens tilted down just a little, so it blurs out the background nicely. Now I'm going to lay the camera flat this time, and I'll take another couple of shots just so you can see what it's like from a flat angle. Okay. Again, nice blurred background. You can barely see what the things are. So this would be a nice camera for still photography or video. Lovely. And I'll do one more rear view image. I'll take some more images after this. I'll finish the unboxing first, and then I'll take a few more images and I'll include them at the end of the video. Okay, so rear one. Again, nice bokeh in the background. Right, let's put that out of the way. Okay, so the hood, lots of people don't like to use a hood because it takes up more storage in your bag. What I usually do is I take the hood off, reverse it like so, and then put it back on. Let's see if this one will do that. There we go. So now it's not taking up any more space in your camera bag, but you've got it if the sun comes out and you need it outside. Fits on there nicely, nice and secure. Right, okay, I'll leave you with some images, and let me know in the comments if you have this lens or if you're thinking of buying it. It seems to be a nice looking lens. I will give you a full review once I can get a lot more photos, and I'll get outside and take some more as well. But for now, I'll just leave you with a few images that I've taken, and hopefully you like them. Right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.